Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to cut in Logic Pro. I will show you two methods, so let's get straight into it. Now the first one is you just select on your timeline one audio box right here, and then you see here at the end of every box, let's select the shorter one like so. Now you see at the both end one of the hooks. So what you need to do is just press on it and then you drag uh, where you want on your timeline, and this is one way how you can cut audio in Logic Pro. Now the second method is, as you can see in this tool menu up here at the top, you see scissors, so you can select it. And now again select one audio. You will see on this box, sound box right here, on scissors which you can move. Now if you press again on it, you will see that you can now cut. So let's say like so, and cut. Not this one. Now you see here these white dots, so click on one of them, and just like so, you will cut on this specific area where you have selected your scissors, and that's pretty much it. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.